welcome! So you're inspired to create green screen and play around with it and do cool stuff like this. Well, to avoid spending all the money on green screen, expensive stands and lighting, and have all that complicated setup fail on you just like this, don't worry, I got you back. Stay tuned. Before we get into the solutions, welcome to Teleplay Creations. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button here and the notification button. It's Joni here. So today I'm going to show you how to set up a green screen for your own use under budget. So under $10. All you need is some green construction paper and tape. So you can get the construction paper from anywhere, either the dollar store or even Amazon. Please look for the links in the description below. Shouldn't cost that much. The larger the sheets of paper, it'll be a little bit more expensive, but it'll save you time from having to kind of assemble more of them together because they're larger. It shouldn't cost you more than $5 to $6, and painter's tape, green tape. It's not that expensive either. So all you need to do is have those pieces of paper ready, and then you just kind of figure out where you want to lay it and figure out if you're going to be doing a lot of standing or sitting, and if so, adjust the height accordingly. So I've kind of planned it out to be around this big, so then I'm going to start taping it. The best thing about painter's tape is that if it doesn't work out, it's not going to destroy your walls. You can actually remove it gently and then just reapply again or readjust. So I'm going to start like this here, get the corner down, get the corner down. And there you have it. So once you have the green screen set up, you can adjust it to however size. You can actually add more or make it smaller and then play around with it. I'll show you what it looks like with the virtual background if you set it up with Zoom. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear from you, so please leave me your comments. For more information, do visit rainorShineTherapy.com/teleplay creations. Don't forget to subscribe and click on this notification for upcoming new videos.